How to replace a human touch Quies main PCB. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, loosen or remove the 3 screws that secure the shroud to the chair. Remove the shroud from the chair and, if necessary, remove the loose screws from the shroud. Now, disconnect all of the connectors from the main PCB. Next, remove the 4 screws that secure the PCB to the chair. Remove the PCB from the chair. To install the new PCB, place it into position with the tall green components on the right-hand side, then replace the 4 screws to secure it. Next, connect each of the connectors to the main PCB, matching by size and color. Note the small white connector in the front right-hand corner connects to a brown connector port on the PCB. Note the 2 tabs on the front of the rear shroud and the corresponding slots on the chair. Install the tabs into the slots. Replace the 3 screws to secure the shroud to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.